Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope all you are doing well. Today we will learn about some most of the popular short forms which are very much used in our programming world. We will know the short forms and also their abbreviations. So let's begin the video. The first one is HTML, Hypertext Markup Language. CSS, Cascading Style Sheets. JS, JavaScript. DOM, Document Object Model. SQL, Structured Query Language. CRUD, Create, Read, Update, Delete. OOP, Object Oriented Programming. MVC, Model View Controller. ML, Machine Learning. FP, Functional Programming. API, Application Programming Interface. JVM, Java Virtual Machine. JIT, Just-in-Time Compilation. JSON, JavaScript Object Notation. XML, Extensible Markup Language. REST, REST, Representational State Transfer. Dry, don't repeat yourself. Solid, single responsibility, open closed, list of substitution, interface segregation, dependency inversion. Ripple, read, eval, print, loop. RPC, remote procedure call. XSS, cross-site scripting. JWT, JSON Web Token. CSRF, cross-site request forgery. CORS, cross-origin resource sharing. CLR, common language runtime. DLL, dynamic link library. RDBMS, relational database management system. NoSQL, not only SQL. FIFO, first in, first out. LIFO, last in, first out. ORM, Object Relational Mapper. Now we will know those short forms which are commonly used in networks. TCP, Transmission Control Protocol. SSL, Secure Sockets Layer. TLS, Transport Layer Security. HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. HTTPS, Secure Hypertext Transfer Protocol. UDP, User Datagram Protocol. LAN, Local Area Network. WAN, Wide Area Network. MAN, Metropolitan Area Network. SSH, Secure Shell or Secure Socket Shell. FTP, File Transfer Protocol. So that's all for today. Try to learn these short forms because this is going to help you very much in your near future. Allah Hafiz.